Hi my friends, today we model this part. It is interesting and the drawing is here with all dimensions. We start by creating this spherical feature with radius 30. This will be the center point. New standard millimeter side PT, XY plane, this arc, and two lines. Radius 30. This is a center line and we apply revolve. Okay. We continue by creating this contour. You see, this is radius 32. This means that this is also spherical. Radius 32, radius 20, distance of 40 between the centers. This is a result. I hope you see that the both centers are on this line. In other words, this arc is perpendicular on the line at both sides. We use the plane XY for a new sketch, F7, and we draw a line from here to here. Keep press the left button of the mouse and go here. Then keep press the left button and go here. Then down. This line must be extended to the left. And important, this point is coincident with this. This circle is concentric with this one. Also, this point is placed here. Now dimensions. This is 40. This is 32. This point must be on the same vertical with the center point. And the last dimension is 20. Okay. We have to apply extrude on 32. Extrude symmetrical 32. Okay. Good. This face is also curved. You see here radius 32 and radius 4 as a fillet. We have to create here a new sketch. We project this, this and this. We draw an arc from this point to this line and tangent to the vertical. This point must be placed on the same horizontal with this point. The radius is 32. Finish sketch. Sweep this and this as cut about this curve. You see? Okay. Now we apply that fillets, radius 4, radius 4. Four millimeters on both sides, plus also 4 millimeters here. Okay. If we take a look at the part, we see here that this is a shell. Oh, good. What is the thickness? 4 millimeters. We apply the tool shell on 4 millimeters, but we have to eliminate this face, remote faces. Okay, very nice. Now we have to create this cylinder with a hole inside. You see here all the dimensions: 12, 16, distance of 4.5 and 3. This face is placed at 4 millimeters up from this bottom face. Okay, we start by creating a new plane based on this and -4. This plane is for that sketch. Circle 16, circle 12, then a rectangle, this one, tangent to this circle, distance of, let me place firstly the horizontal center with the center, then 3 millimeters is this, and the distance 4.5. Finish sketch, extrude this and this to the other direction, and not outside, not inside, but to the part. You see? Good. We hide this plane. Now we can see that there are 3 ribs here to connect the external part with the cylindrical part. Dimensions are 2 millimeters and the angle is 120 degrees. Let's create this. We turn the part. Oh, I see here that I missed the selection. double click, and I add also this two missing gaps. I said that we select this face for projecting this arc and drawing a simple line, my friends. This line, unfinished line in the air. Then we apply rib. We select this, and if you respect these options, we obtain that rib. The thickness is 2 millimeters. Okay. Now I want to place these fillets of radius 1. You see here radius 1. I apply that fillets of radius 1. Radius 1, also radius 1 here. Okay. Another rib is placed at 120. We use the same procedure. Select this face, draw a line, but let me project this arc. Now I draw that line, no matter how long is, but it must be coincident with the center. And of course I must project one line, this one, to apply the angle of 120. The line is very short. Finish sketch, rib, select the line, and we have the rib. Okay. Once again, fillets of radius 1. Here and also here. Okay. Now I mirror this rib and the fillets by using mirror of the last two features about the XY plane. Yes. Okay. We must finish the part by applying also these external fillets. Okay. We go here, fillet, also here, radius 1 all over, as you can see. I hope all of them are in place. Okay. Good. Now we can apply the volume. Physical, update, copy, close, drawing, double click, and the new volume is rather the same, but I eliminate the previous one and I select this one. You know what I do? I check the volume of the part we created. This other model, made by me of course, can be wrong. Yes, I don't know if everything about fillets are respected here, but this is what we did together, my friends. We apply the material. It is ABS plastic and the aspect is light orange. We eliminate edges and we apply default lights. That's all for today. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.